Hey guys, we received this 14-piece brocade pouches. These are Chinese drawstring jewelry gift bag with a mixed colors and random pattern. It comes in this vacuum seal packing. So nice vibrant color, very nice pouches. So the bigger pouch is around 5.5 inches that I have and the 4 inches in width. And the smaller pouches are 3.8 by 3 inches. You can store the coins, jewelry, or any small thing. The string design, as you can see, and looks really nice and trendy. So they have one design for the bigger one and one the same color the design for the smaller pouch. And smaller pouch, as I mentioned, is around 3.8 by 3 inches. And you can just put in your stuff, drawstring, and you can just store in your stuff. So the now nice pouches for giving as a gift. So small items like the jewelry or the coins or any other such thing. Very nice design on the top as well with the embroidery material with a nice drawstring. So say like this a pair with a one big and the small one. So it's a really nice thing if you want to give it. This thing is a vibrant and the uh, different design for each and looks really nice and cool. So very nice pouches for giving as a gift.